Abusiafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GNCN pages so me din e de adwoa searching na yaw oza e na okase yaw e de nsem etudwa e wabra Oman FM omo eye discussion efa 2027 December batwa e course e wo Ghana hanom e ho e na yaw e de nsem etudwa na yaw nsem a okay na ne se NDC for omo strategy omo afa plan omo air plan is omo kwakwagigi na nado e wo Parliament House no enya de bebem ende anase ochina omo susu nyina aka omo trim because eye for me na MP no Honorable Amoako Emisa sisie waji atum say he will do business with the MPPs enti no sisie MPP aye 138 and NDC 137 enti sisie no MPP for and omo ye majority e wo Parliament House enti no ensusua NDC for no mo e kase say aha sisie obi anye majority obi anye minority because you cry 37 no NDC for si omo kasa omo anya hoden no omo nja e kasa no because sisie for me na MP Honorable Amoako Emisa age atumi say obeye business obeye he will work with the MPPs in no NDC for no omunjai kasa bebre no omo e ka no na adofo ye nyina enim 7th December 2020 asema esi wo Ghana hanom ene afi Ghana for omo akire omo tumi papa omo akire se abatu na nkane na yeto no enya de omo betu bio ende omo betu bio ochina first no obi ye MPP ni a na so susu se president ne yade na obeto ama na esese otuma MP no MP ni yade kwen se otuma no Sanso na oye NDC ni na se osusu se president ne yade na ni MP ni yade kra esan se oye NDC ni ntia se otuma ni MP ne saa afi 2020 abato na yeto no enye saa na ekọ no ene skirt and blouse no draw so papa che se MPP fu na omo ye majority e wo Parliament House na omo ye 169 omo drop ya omo a drop saa aba 138 enye nyame no ya adom afom na MP no standing as independent anka fi MPP fo omo ho be chiro omo papa a omo akasa ene kasa do be kasa because MPs no ya to aba ma omo wie no omo du Parliament House wo no so omo kotena akra ene lalai so omo be san omo achi pa no omo asan so aba be hwe omo constituency no aye omo krofa pede amomo o davi omo nye kra omo nye enti Africa na fo e kire omo a ene MPP for no mo afom 2020 election ne papa government in power pa mutumi elusi seat say enya sam keto akra ene for me na MP no sisi do post papa ene MPP for no jam mo ne na kasa sisi o se obey business with the MPPs e wo Parliament House na ene ho asem e na Oman FM for omo e discuss ya eye yaw oza o se ofisuame e na de ne comment e ba na do fieti ensem a yaw oza e de etudwa o kire say it's now clear that the MPP holds majority in Parliament after Honorable Amoako Emisa MP for Fomena made a declaration to do business with the NPP caucus, and on Friday, Speaker Babin has no choice than to affirm it. So the NDC strategy to frustrate the Akufo-Addo government is a foregone conclusion, since the MPP have a slim majority in Parliament House. #hope in hope. We ya oza officially na ode ebai enti no ya say MPP for no mo strategy am afa say mo ko frustrating na nado e wo Parliament House no lalai embe enti no mo susu na ayekwa ensem we na ya oza ede atudwa
wasi say da bre no obi adea etu nipa kroba chimchira ba bia wo pe na ye wo wonum so a afei no owura emrahye badwam ha sei first time ni edikan ni yenko tafo kanani e be kan se tafo pankro no emrahye badwani a omanfo e wo ho no mo eyi no e say ni enim ne se onumunyamfo osakoto okọ na yenua deputy nanka ono ene kasamafo ma so ye hwe me ya de suamu nsem so abedi achi eti ene ofia Vincent ana wo de na de he PRO na kasa me de obinfo su de na ma
na
change aba
no kre
kai senko apon adwuma akoda
no kre
nti nsache na eba no na uwura mu no di ka uwura mu ne wu ye ne ye koso eye obedri
eye wonwa na emese minianom NDC for ɔmo hia free SHS no bi because you can't counter ɔmo nte ase the entire make us no say there's so much inconsistencies ohwe ɔmo kasa no mu a if you say ne anopay metie ɔmo panya ye fe no honorable Abezi or say parliament the yenyen sesi ano ye ni obi o majority if you say we kuta 137 and we kuta 137 na independent candidate no there ono no ntimi nka say sebi ono so ye party eno nti no bia ba obi atimi na bia and then you may take us an so sesi omo so makotena majority side because they feel say omo kuta the majority number and konta no me kabo mu a meti ase a enye yi if you say
137 no 137 epe nti obi atena ba bi ope
miniaba
obi atena ba bi ope
miniaba unim say just a bo dumie no ansa na the last parliament no yakase ye dissolve kra unim sa sisi abose my favorite time no about 10:31 aka 1 hour 30 minutes ansa na Parliament, 7th Parliament of the 4th Republic, no, they dissolve it. And so far as that Parliament has not been officially dissolved, the position no, because Parliament officially has not dissolved. Ghana Mrano, the 1992 Constitution now has standing orders of Parliament and so on. Clearly, Emra, the Parliament, 7th Parliament, and you dissolve it officially. This is no do me no abo. Apart from that, the entire make us some contanya and say Parliament ye baby ye shemra. And I'm saying baby ye shemra ntino. And penny for ye more. Omo interpreted and answer omo pensi ye mremuno. Omo ka samwa. Yen na wasi ye shasi disuma timemufono so ye day. Edisubi. If you say ne anche, ana asen north. Say a high court judge has ruled say a year as in North MP what it means is that he does not qualify to call himself a member of parliament elect if he say okuta a year other allegiances to other countries. Now the Busani say high court ebua sasemi says sa na tiedia and you just NDC for 137 says what you because we are a house and as a chamber yen ye be yambra and this ye know if you are not seeing say mrana cause ye be this one no say yes if and you know ocean numbers no it does not make any mathematical sense for NDC to say occupy the seat of the majority but we no kure wo muso ne say ansan ye be speaker of parliament no the standing orders of parliament at say in the absence of a speaker no and as ye speaker no the otra the clerk of parliament. I am hoping that some amount of declarations will have to be made and our pronunciations will have to be made by the clerk or order the marshal me hunu babia no kwaneda be that as it may say am kone sampo enam si ye beto aba for speakership in no ye to aba ye be hunu domo okuta numbers and also okuta dodo and until you beto aba na wi ne hu domo na akire pefe se no kre MPP amanyoku yen na MP say what parliament your doors one and in any case if anybody says oh independent candidate overtly and ask what about bontia ka say ni moja ye blue and for that matter at all times obe support the New Patriotic Party. Indeed this is a man why now so obetna baby MPP form pons ye dey etie into ocean numbers no it does not make any mathematical sense for them to start calling themselves majority leader and majority chiefship no it is unconstitutional. It is un-Ghanaian for them to come early and say Soma Kotena be a majority for now when Parliament has not officially dissolved. Sabia Omoteno, a Sebi MPP for Omotibia because Parliament Nyanya Day and Coleno off. And it is un-Ghanaian for them to do that. No credit do me huma.
Otenfa.
Metie the six
Polachi.
The Minshe Polachi. Maybe I metie na hoya strategic inti.
Chief speaker I.
Yes, I speaker be hume. Tafofo so ehunu say yes. Omayi nipa so omede.
I say who be a new mobile because so the cover house I say akra wa be school na pre.
Adwuma no ohun ye di kan asua. Ye di kan boa ye ho. Say that say no Nyankopon ya adom a ye beba aba begina ayetafofo anem. Nti ya boabo ye ho asie to represent the good people of Otafo constituency. Empire ye boa ne say ye da ye so a Otafo so. yɛbɛhyɛ saa da ɛso no yɛbɛtumi make sure sɛ yɛbɛba ɛyɛ mmara yɛbɛhyɛ mu policy considerations a yɛbɛyɛ wɔ parliament nso no ɛyɛ Otafo constituency ɔmo da yɛso no yɛbɛhwɛ ama no aba sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ mpuntu a yɛhwɛ Otafo constituency bɛnya
nti kwan na wodin si hɔ wote nifa na ate benku
sɛ baabi a yanom edi kan akɔtena
ya obi te wakonnwa so
ɔmo
kwan na obi te wakonnwa
ntaa no nyɛ nti ɔmo obi akɔtena makonnwa so na mo no because we want
etu yɛ den na nipa no sɔre
nipa no so wɔyɛ na ne sɛ wɔn sɔre
wo gyina ha ya
yɛ si akɔgyina ɛyɛ baabi a minority fo no wɔ no a yɛakɔtena hɔ ti yɛtwɛn sɛ clerk bi make pronunciation no nya akɔ akɔtena baabi a ɔsɛ tena
ma me na wase abusuafo Vincent Eko Asifua ne na atwetwe nkomo no emrahye badwani a wayi ne foforo ema tafo abato empesa so na ye no akasa no se wutie mu na eche se akonwa no obi atena obi akonwa so obi atena obi akonwa so efise ebi di kan na mi bisa onumunyafo tela bi se ye mfa din sisi ho no mo ma ne kan bi se edin a ye de sisi ho se de yo won de ne onim anse na obi atumi tena ba bi a ope eso ne yakoba anse obi atena obi akonwa so eti ye bebo modern ne ahwe se Vincent Asifua na se mo kan obi atena akonwa so nti ogina kire twen ennadia na ebekoso ewo mrahye badwam asei menimnua abedna gwasanti asiedu ye wo ha sei ya ye hwese ye ne mpanimfo ni bi ebetwetwe enkomo ma yenko na ye ni onimunyamfo Joseph Kujo onso ne seat no secured efia ana o kan no abo hwene kakra constituency na efia constituency honorable official
afin commercial
wa kwehwe wa baby a wote
afin na ye do hansi me kohwe
na wakonya na da hode
afin wo bema he negwa wo 8 parliament ne mu
7 parliament no a chese akakra na yawie no wo twen wo kwa ba bia te dada na wo kotena
wo 7th parliament mu no baby a metena no ho na make it na but my today nkrofo no abetena papa nemba na abetena
papa bema
papa no nemba na abetena ina name wo ho
because ke be me won wasa obeka say kwa akotena me dabre ebi akọ obi se okọ ino obi te na konwa so onti mo ba nyina so no ba bia mo nam no chese mo kọ ba bia na mo te dada ho so ayema
ebe kan den so the eyimle ndizi the confusion enti wode abafia ha ende so oye humbo wa akwa majority a name but me give them